Hi guys, in this video I'll be giving a brief overview on TradingView and I'll also explain some of the most common tools used in TradingView. Now, TradingView is a web-based charting and analysis platform that's used by traders, investors, and financial professionals to track and analyze financial markets. It offers a wide range of features including advanced charting tools, indicators, drawing tools, watch list, alerts, and more. All of this will be discussed later on. Now, the platform supports a variety of asset classes like stocks, cryptocurrencies, forex, futures, and options, and it also provides real-time data from a range of exchanges and data providers. TradingView is also known for its social features, which allows users to share ideas, collaborate with others, and follow other traders and investors. Now, one of the unique features of TradingView is its charting interface, which is highly customizable and allows users to create and save their own chart layout and templates. As you can see, it is black and white. I didn't see you see red and blue candles. So TradingView allows the users to be able to customize their chart the way they prefer. Now, the platform also supports a variety of chart types, including candlestick, bar and line charts, and it also allows users to add indicators, drawing tools, and other analysis to their chart. TradingView has both free and paid subscription plans, with the paid plans providing access to additional features and data. The platform is accessible through any web browser and it also offers mobile apps for iOS and Android devices. Overall, TradingView is a comprehensive and user-friendly platform that is popular among traders and investors of all levels of experience. Its advanced features and customization options make it a valuable tool for those looking to analyze and trade the financial markets. Now, some of the most common tools used in TradingView include the chart type. It includes drawing tools, which are the trend lines, channels, Fibonacci retracement, and the likes of it. It also helps you to create alerts, gives you access to a watch list, allows you to be able to backtest, and so much more. It also allows paper trading. Now, chart types allows traders to view the price data in different ways and can provide different insights into the market. If I'm looking at this from a candlestick chart pattern, this is what I see. If I decide to change this and go to a line chart, I get a different picture, right? This also helps me to be able to recognize my support and resistance easily. It also identifies the trend line easily as well. If I go down to my bar chart, if I decide to use my bar chart, it looks almost like the candlestick chart, except this is different. A bit different, but I mostly view my charts on the candlestick chart pattern. The first one I will look at intensely, I mentioned a few tools previously, some of the most common tools used in TradingView. Now, the first one we're discussing is the chart types. Now, chart types are an important tool in TradingView and they are used to display the price data in different formats. The first one we have is the candlestick chart, which I just showed you. Now, this is it, rather. Candlestick charts are a popular chart type that displays the opening. I'll zoom in so you can look at the candle properly. Now, the candlestick charts display the opening, the closing, the high and low prices for a specific time period. Each candlestick represents a single trading session and the body of the candlestick is usually colored green or red depending on whether the closing price was higher or lower. I decided to make mine black because this is how I prefer to look at my chart. Then if you look at the bar charts, the bar charts are similar to candlestick charts, but they display the high, the low, the opening and closing prices using vertical lines and horizontal tick marks. You see it right here. That's the major difference between the bar chart and the candlestick chart. Then the next thing that we'll look at is the line charts. Now, these line charts connect the closing prices of a security or index over a specified period of time, creating a continuous line. They are useful for visualizing long-term trends and identifying support and resistance. I think I already mentioned that earlier. Now, each chart type has its own advantages and disadvantages, and traders often use a combination of them to analyze the market. For example, candlestick charts, which is this. Candlestick charts are useful for identifying short-term trends and reversals, while line charts are better suited for identifying longer-term trends. Traders can customize the appearance of their charts, including the colors of the candles or bars, the time frame of the chart and the chart thinker indicators and drawing tools. By using different chart types and customization options, traders can gain a deeper understanding of the price action and market trends and make more informed trading decisions. Now, if you're thinking of how to change the outlook of your chart, you could simply just click the settings bar is right here, but you could also right click on the screen and then this pops up. Now, as you can see, if I go down to my symbol, you see that my chart pattern, I chose black for all of them because I wanted them to look black, right? So you can decide to make this red and blue depending on how you prefer your chart to look like. Also, the appearance, you could also change the appearance of your overall chart outlook. I chose white here, but you could easily change this to say black, right? And then it changes it up already. So let's stick to white for now. And that is it. Once you're done customizing events as well, this keeps you up with latest events, right? So you just either you click on it to keep getting updates, or you click on it to keep getting updates, or you click on it again to tick it off so you don't get the latest news if you want that. But I do want to get the latest news whenever I'm here, so I'm going to leave this clicked. Now, when I'm done with all of these adjustments on my chart, all I have to do is click OK and it sticks. The second thing we'll look at in TradingView is our drawing tools. An example of the drawing tool is the trend line, right? We have a bunch of them here. You can see that I highlighted most of the ones I use regularly. Just put the star on it and then it would appear on your most used tools, right? So yeah, that is it. The one I use the most is a trend line. So TradingView gives you the opportunity to be able to use your trend line to connect as many lines as you want. So I'll give you a presentation of what I'm trying to say. So let's say I'm trying to connect all of the highs on these lower lows and lower highs formed. My TradingView allows me to be able to do that effectively, and that is it, right? So then next thing we can look at in TradingView is how to create alerts. Now let's say, for example, I want to buy GBP USD from this particular level, from this area where it is now, right? All I have to do is create an alert for it, so I don't have to look at the chart all through and keep watching to see when to get to that level. Now, to create an alert for this level, I'll just bring down my cursor. As you can see here, at this corner here, it's showing a figure, right? It's showing numbers. So I'll put these numbers in mind, and then I'll click on my create alerts. Now, GBP USD trigger. Do I want this trigger only once? So every time the price gets to that level, if I say every time, let's say every time I click. Now this allows to trigger every time the condition is met, but no more than 1 minute per time. Now, what's the alert name? Buy GBP USD. Buy GBP USD is what I have decided to name it as. Now I need to put in the value, that's the level at which I want to buy GBP USD. So let me use this number here, 1.21529. 1.21529. So let's say I want to buy GBP USD at this level. Create alerts. Now you're seeing it's already appearing there. Now whenever price gets to this level, I'll be reminded that price is currently at that level and I should check and see if I am willing to take that trade. And that's simply how alerts are created using TradingView. We also have tools like the Fibonacci retracement. If I decide to use the Fibonacci retracement when trading, all I have to do is click on my drawing tools here, select it, draw it from point A to point B, wherever I want to, whatever swing I'm deciding to use my Fibonacci retracement tool on, just pick it up from where it is. Now that's it. If I want to delete it, all I have to do is click on it again and delete, and it is gone. If I want to delete this alert as well, maybe I've changed my mind and I don't think it to buy from this level, all I have to do is click on it as well, and then I will delete. And the moment I agree yes, it is gone. That is basically how it works. Okay, so we've discussed watch lists, we've discussed drawing tools, we've discussed alerts. There are some of these trading tools that has this yellow star stuff to them. These are because these are the most used trading tools that I personally use, and that's why I highlighted them here so it's easily accessible to me. Let me show you what I'm saying. As you can see here, it appears here, right, without me having to click on the drawing tools bar. Now if I remove this from here and I come here, my trend line is no longer here. But if I go back to this and I highlight it, you see it appears right here immediately. Now that's simply what all of these stars here mean. Now the trend line, I want to connect these range here, or these equals right here, using my trend line. It helps me to be able to know that. That's all of the major advantages of the trend line, and also the drawing tools in general. Also, Fibonacci retracement. I want to use Fibonacci retracement, right? My Fibonacci retracement tool, simple, click on it, drag it from whatever swing it is that I want to use it on, and that is it. My Fibonacci retracement is right here. If I'm done with it and I no longer want to use this Fibonacci retracement and I want to delete it, all I have to do, you see it already appearing here, but let's say it wasn't appearing. Click on the line right here and delete it, and that is it. It is off your chart. That is it about the drawing tools. There are a bunch of them right here. It's just the same process, right? Select, drag on your chart. It stays. You're done with it. Go here and delete. That is it. It's off your chart. Now the next thing we're looking at is how to create alerts, right? Instead of you sitting down on your screen and watching your chart all day, you've already done your analysis and you're already looking at the level where you want to buy or sell from. All you have to do is create an alert so you're notified when price gets to that level. And it's right here, top of the screen. So create alerts. Let's say I want to buy GBP USD from this level, right? So I've clicked on my create alert. This is the value. The value simply means at what level I want to buy or sell this particular currency pair. Now take back your cursor back to the level where you want to buy or sell from, and you can see that appears here 1.21429. So all I have to do is go back to my chart and put in 1.21429 and then put down my alert name by GBP USD and create this alert. And that is it. It has been created. So whenever price gets to this level, I'll be notified to check my chart to see if I want to buy or sell this currency pair, right? So I don't have to spend all day looking at my chart and waiting for price to get to that level. I set my alert, I'm done. If we get there today, fine. If it doesn't get there today, whenever it does get there, I will be notified. It's as simple as that, really. So let's say I'm done with this alert, I've taken my trade, or I've changed my mind and I feel like I might not buy this currency pair again, so I want to delete this alert. All I have to do is go back to this alert level, click on it, and then you can see the delete showing right here. Delete alert, confirm, it is gone, and that is it. So there are a bunch of tools here as well. We have the trend line tools, we have the Fibonacci tools, we have the brush text. But let me just brush through some of these tools. Okay, now the ruler, for example, I'm trying to calculate my pips, right? I'm trying to calculate from here to here, so I'll know how far the market has gone. All I have to do is drag my ruler from the point where I was calculated from to the point where I want to calculate it to here, and you can see. So it's giving me 277 pips already. This is basically the function of the ruler. Quickly, instead of me coming down here to the side and calculating the number of pips or the number of pips that's covered, I can simply use the ruler. And yeah, okay, now the next we have here is our text. So let me put on the chart so you see, right? So it pops up. What do I want to put here? Let's say I am observing an order block right here. So put in my order block so I don't forget what I saw at that particular level, and then okay, and then you see it just appears there, right there. If I want to put another one here, say it's basically the same process. Click on this, put in where you want to type in your value at, A, B, C, okay, and it appears right where you want it. So if you want to delete, the same process, go back here, delete, click on this, go back and delete, right? Then we have this simply says stay in drawing mode. This says lock all drawing tools. So let's say I already have a bunch of drawing tools on this chart. So that's my Fibonacci retracement, my trend line. just name it, and I already have all of it here, and I do not want to mistakenly delete this while I'm doing other stuff. All I have to do is lock it down, and when I lock this down, what else I do on my screen, my drawing tools stay intact. They will not be affected in any way. That's simply the purpose of the drawing tool. Alright, so when you come on your TradingView charts, you see all of this, and they are pretty easy to figure out. Here we have our notifications, streams, idea streams, private chats. I mentioned something about chat earlier, so you could easily click on this to chat with whoever it is you want to talk to. We have public chats, minds, my ideas, and so on. It has a bunch of tools that will be really, really useful to any trader at any level. I hope this video was helpful. If you have more questions or you want me to throw more light on specific tools in this video, just let me know in the comment section and I will do that video for you. I hope this was helpful. Please don't forget to leave a like on this video, subscribe to this channel so you get notified whenever we post, and share these videos with people you feel might need it. Thank you, and see you in our next video. Have a good day.